Chris. Chris. What do you got on? Oh God, that's too close, folks. Look at that. Look at that. All day over there, he's got a fish on, and boy, yesterday that wasn't the case. He's got bruises. Do you see those bruises on his chin? His chin drug the bottom of the boat all day yesterday. Bang, bang, bang. But his memory's quickly going away.
But our friend Billy did hook up probably 30 times yesterday.
This is way too close.
And your buddy Chris didn't.
It was a fine day, but here in the first hole, he's figured out how to do the C-tuck bounce. Oh God! Right on the camera, I got it. I don't know if it's in focus. You make him tell him to do it again.
No, we're probably not keeping him, so.
Yeah, tell him to jump again. Yeah, get him. It depends. Is he nice? We got to be done early today. The only thing about this camera is it wants to refocus all the time. Make him jump again, horsey, and put some. Try to bring him in the left-hand side when you bring him in, okay? Oh yeah.
You get him?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, ready? I can bring him in now if you want.
I'm ready. Put him over here, take the look at him, and then we say, tip him or release him.
See how you do that, Billy?
Yeah, I was super impressed. I can't see the fish, so you might. I'm getting all that. Being the wonderful photographer that I am. Okay. Put the metal on. Put the metal to him. Got that too. He's not really ready to be horsed in, is he? He's saying, oh.
He's kind of like steelhead.
He is. He's well hooked.
Okay, folks. We're pretty much. We'll wait a while here. 2 minutes and 38 seconds of this is almost more than we can take.